you mad. Everybody ain't told home, you told you that myth. Stay on task, gotta lay low and chase you a bag. When they see you living your life, that's when they get mad.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm back with another hair video. This time it's from Wiggins Hair. They sent me some hair, and this is the hair right here. It did not come this color. It came black, but I decided to bleach it. And I tried to dye it pink, but it came out red, I guess because it wasn't 613. But it's still really pretty, and it's still fresh. It's still silky and everything. It's still perfect. So I really like it. If you want to see more about this hair, just keep on watching. This wig is still holding up good even after bleaching and processing it. So that's good already. That's already a good sign that this is some good hair. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and give this video a thumbs up just if you like this look already. If you're loving this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. So y'all can see, let me show y'all up close and personal on this hair. And for me to have bleached it, it's still good. I really like this hair like this. I like bobs. I usually like bobs. I like bob wigs, but sometimes I like my bob wigs to have some color because black can be kind of boring. So that's why I dyed it this color. It wasn't even supposed to be this color, but since it still looks good, I'm not complaining. Let me show y'all the back. It's not a stiff bob at all. We don't do stiff over here, sorry. But yeah, it's really good. It moves. You could like, it's a frontal, by the way. So it's a frontal wig, and so that means you can see right here. I just put it on real quick for y'all, little baby hairs or whatever. I did not bleach the knots on this hair. All I did was bleach the hair to get this color. As y'all can see, the video that stiff wear, okay? I love me a good bob that moves and it's not stiff whatsoever. So this is good. You like, do it like that. So this is what it came in. They gave me a scarf, a really cute scarf, okay? Three pairs of lashes, okay? 3 pairs of lashes, and they real good. Let's see. A headband. Let me put it on for y'all. Let me see. Ooh, this is cute. And it matches my outfit. Okay. So this is what they gave me. And an elastic band. They gave me an elastic band. And a wig cap, but I have the wig cap on right now. So yeah, that's what it comes in. This is the box. Wiggins. So really fast shipping. It took like a week to get here, so that's good. Came really quick. Before I knew it, it was already at my door. Like I barely even tracked. I think I tracked it like one time. And next thing I knew, it got delivered. So they really quick. You don't have to worry about them taking too long. But yeah, this hair though is really good and it's really soft. It's really soft. Like, one thing I do like, because this is short hair, that means it's gonna be very low maintenance, so I don't have to really worry about like detangling and all that extra stuff. It's low maintenance. I didn't do anything to it at all, so yeah, this is gonna be like an easy, quick leave and go wig, you know. Like,
it just has body.
like for me to just put it in my head, it has body. So yeah, all I did was use a slick stick to make it super slick like this. Get my part together, and that's it. I didn't do nothing. I did a little plucking because it came somewhat pre-plucked, but not really. Gotta make it look a little bit more realistic. But other than that, everything is fine. I'll give everything like a 9 out of 10 just because I had to do a lot of plucking. But other than that, good hair. Very good hair. This hair does not shed, but that's really common though because it's short. A lot of short hair, like bob wigs, don't really shed to me at all. Don't really shed for me. Doesn't shed, doesn't tangle. You really shouldn't get any tangles at all just because it's short. It's nothing to really tangle. It's not down your back, so you should be good. Yeah. Period. Like, who said what? Who said what? Yeah, I needed me another short wig anyways. I got one that's black. I need some more colors. That's why I had to dye it. I really do wish it came out pink though. Like, you can't even tell that I tried to dye it pink. Can y'all? I can't really tell. It looks so red. But I'm not complaining. Period. So if you guys was looking at Wiggins or just looking for a nice short bob wig, I would definitely say that this is some good hair to get. Something quick and easy that you can't go wrong with. You can't go wrong with a bob wig, you know? Real simple. Don't have to worry about a lot of maintenance. Doesn't shed, doesn't tangle. So I would say this wig would be a good wig to get. I'm low-key gonna wear this now, and then I'm gonna really wear it in the summertime since it's short, because all that long hair in the summertime, it'd be cute, but it'd be way too hot. So I'm gonna really like save this for the summertime. When I don't feel like having hair down my back, I'm gonna throw this on. It's cute and red. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and stay tuned for the next video.